Bonjour! Bonjour les amis! Welcome! Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy and welcome to French with Ananas. Now, if you're joining us for the first time, we have a friend that helps us to learn our French words. Her picture is on the screen. So if you say Bonjour Ananas, she will join us. Can you say Bonjour Ananas? Oh, maybe a little bit louder today. Bonjour Ananas! Oh, I think she's coming. Are you ready to meet Ananas? There she is. So don't be a little bit shy about learning French because French is not scary. If it makes you feel better, you can invite one of your friends, one of your stuffies to sit beside you, and maybe that will help you be brave and repeat words that you don't know. French can be a lot of fun to learn, so stay with us, and when we repeat words, make sure that you're repeating them out loud, and this will help you a lot. So let's begin our lesson today. So our series is called French with Ananas, and today is lesson 1.6, the A sound. Leçon 1.6, son A. So the first thing we need is we need a color, une couleur for our pen. So let's go into the colors. Can you repeat the colors with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Well, since I'm wearing my fancy red hat today, that's rouge. I think I'm going to go with rouge. Rouge. So today's lesson is about rhyming words. Now, if you're not sure what a rhyming word is, it's a word that has the same end sound as another word. For example, cat and hat have the same end sound, so they are rhyming words. Frog and dog have the same end sound, so they're rhyming words. Well, the same thing happens in French. We can also have rhyming words. Let's see if we can find rhyming words in our A sound words. So let's begin. So here are two words that you know. Do you remember the French word for this beautiful cat? And it is chat. If you said chat, you are correct. Chat. Can you find the A sound in chat? There it is, the A sound. Now, the word next to chat, can you remember this word? This is called une banane. Banane. Can you find the A sound? Oh, there's two in this one. Un, deux. That's two A sounds. Banane. Now listen carefully to the ending. Banane. Chat. Banane. The end sound is not the same. Chat ends in the A sound, and banane ends in the N sound. So they don't rhyme. Chat and banane are not rhyming words. Let's move along, see if we can find some rhyming words. Here are two more of our A sound words. Chat, and do you remember what this is called? Bravo, it's ananas. Ananas. Just like our friend Ananas over here. It's her favorite word. And how many A sounds are in ananas? Let's count them. Un, deux, trois. Three A sounds. Ananas. Now let's listen very carefully to the end sound. Chat, ananas. They both have the A sound at the end because the S is silent in this word. It doesn't make a sound. So here we go. We have two rhyming words. Chat, ananas. They both end in A. Très bien. Let's move along, see if we can find some more. Here is our chat. And do you remember the word for this? Our busy bee is called abeille. Abeille. Can you find the A sound in abeille? You are correct. It is the beginning sound. Do you think chat and abeille rhyme? You are correct. They do not rhyme. In this word chat, the A is the end sound, and abeille is the beginning sound. They do not rhyme. Chat, abeille, they do not rhyme. Let's move along, see if we can find one that rhymes. Here is our chat. Do you remember the name of this animal? It is called llama. Llama. Can you find the S sounds? There are two. Un, deux. Llama. Do you think they rhyme? Do you think chat rhymes with llama? They certainly do. If you said yes, you are correct. Chat, that's the end sound is a, and llama, the end sound is a. Chat and llama, they are rhyming words. Yay! We found another rhyming words. Bravo! Let's move down the list, see if we have another one. Oh, and there's our chat. And do you remember the name of this word? Do you remember how to pronounce it? It is fromage. Fromage. And where is the A sound? You are correct. That's the A sound. Fromage. It's further down the word, but it is not the end sound. Let's try to see if they rhyme. Chat, fromage. You are correct. They do not rhyme. They do not have the same A sound at the end. Too bad. Maybe we'll find another set. Chat. And do you remember the name of this animal? It is called lapin. Lapin. Where is the A sound in this word? Correct. That's the A sound. Now listen very, very carefully. Do they end in the same sound? Chat, lapin. There's the A sound at the end and there's the un sound. They do not rhyme together. Do you agree, Anana? Yeah, she agrees. They do not rhyme together. Chat, lapin are not rhyming words. Let's move on. So there we go. We had 3 words today that we found that were rhyming together. Let's say them together. Chat, ananas, lama. Can you hear the A sound at the end of those 3 words? Let's say them again. Chat, ananas, lama. Yay! You are correct. You are doing a great job. Well, let's see if there are other words that we know that end in the A sound. Perhaps you know this sound, papa. Papa means dad, and it ends in the A sound. Chocolat. Ooh, that's chocolate. Now the T is silent in this word, so it's pronounced chocolat. Sarah is a name. Amanda is a name. Nicolas has a silent S, and that's also a name. And this is like a dance, cha-cha-cha. You are correct. These words all rhyme together. They all have the end sound of A. Let's say them together. Papa, can you repeat it? Chocolat, Sarah, Amanda, Nicolas, cha-cha-cha. Let's try it one more time. Make sure you're repeating them out loud. Papa, Chocolat, Sarah, Amanda, Nicolas, cha-cha-cha. Bravo! Yay, mes amis, bravo! You are doing really good you're getting very good at rhyming words. This is a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? And sac is another A sound word. Sac. Dans mon sac. And the question is asking me what's inside my bag. Do I have it with me? Oui. Ho ho ho, j'ai mon sac. J'ai mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, there's something. It's a little bit heavy. Un petit peu pesant. What could be in here? Should we check? Ananas? Oui, on regarde? On regarde dans le sac. Inside. Dans le sac. I'm going to see what's inside. Oh, wow, c'est un ami, a friend, un ami. Regarde. Oh, do you remember the French word for this animal? Un chat. Un chat. Oh, there she is. Un chat. And this is a friend of Ananas. This is a friend. Oui, they are friends. Chat et Ananas. So nice to see you guys. Now, she's a beautiful chat and she's got big whiskers, a moustache over here, and she put flowers in her hair today, des fleurs. So that's who's in our sac today, un chat. Can you say that? Un chat. Well, I hope you had fun today learning rhyming words. We will see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Au revoir les amis. Can you say goodbye? Au revoir. Au revoir Ananas. Au revoir chat.